People see us everywhere. They think you really care. But myself, I can't see. My words only make.
Yeah, I know this sounds hard to believe because it may sound louder on the video, as I've said earlier on, okay? But this is on its final spin. There's a timer, 16 minutes left, okay? But it's a lot quieter than the last one. Now the last one, every time it's done its final spin, which is 1400 kg, by the way, 1400 RPM, sorry, spin, okay, it sounds like a Boeing 787 taking off, yeah? This one, you can hardly hear it. You can hardly hear it, which is good news for me because it means I can do my washing overnight now without bothering anyone, as I keep saying, yeah? I can't believe how quiet this machine is, yeah? What a buy, yeah? And thanks to Co-op, that's where I bought it from. I was going to get it from Argos, but they only had 7 kg and I need a larger size washing machine, yeah? This one's 9 kg, yeah? And as I say, what a result. Absolutely superb, and I'm very pleased with it. I'm going to film the final spin to show you how quiet it is, okay? Right, what you do is you, if you've got an Android phone or iPhone, what you do is you scan your phone onto that there, okay? And I'll show you what happens next. Now we're in business, okay? What's now done is I'm now ready to go, as you can see. Yeah, what you do is you go start, and then you're ready to go, and then all you do is this. There you go. Scans it.
Well, I guess it would be nice
There you go.
if I could touch your body.